Rajneesh Bawaji, Director HR, New Holland Tractor Private Limited, for accepting our invitation and coming here to bless the graduating students. Shri Rajneesh Bawa has been a management practitioner both at the national and international level since last 28 years. His present assignment is with New Holland Fiat India Private Limited as Director Human Resources. New Holland Fiat India is a 100% subsidiary of 21B USD CNH Global, the world's largest agricultural equipment company and the leading manufacturer of agricultural and construction equipment manufacturers in the world. CNH is a majority-owned subsidiary of 120B USD Fiat Group. Mr. Bawa, as a part of his professional commitment, has been traveling and working in Southeast Asia, UK, Italy, and Australia, New Zealand region also. He has been closely associated with NHRD and has been the Vice President of its NCR chapter for 4 years, which is 2 consecutive terms. Mr. Bawa has a passion for teaching also, and he loves sharing his experiences as visiting faculty in business, industrial organizations, autonomous bodies, Department of Technical Education, Delhi, UP, Haryana, Rajasthan, Chamber of Commerce, PhD, CII, etc. He has been a champion of relationship-based management, supported by strong ethics and values. And in one line, his definition of success is helping others to accomplish their organizational goals. I would also like to introduce the other eminent person amongst us today, and he is none other than our chairman, Shri Pramod Agarwal, who has been steering this institute since long. He is a well-known industrialist, CMD of Rama Paper Mills, as we all know, and a social worker. His only motto for the educational endeavor of IMS Group is quality, quality, and quality. I also welcome other esteemed members of Governing and Executive Council of IMS Group who wholeheartedly support various activities undertaken by IMS as an institution. In its journey of over 22 years, IMS has emerged amongst the front-ranking institutions in the country in the field of management education. All the programs offered by this institute are AICTE approved. Its PGDM program is declared equivalent to MBA and is accredited by NBA, National Board of Accreditation. The PGDM Tourism Management program has also been recognized as equivalent to Master in Tourism Management by All India Council for Technical Education. In fact, IMS has consistently been ranked among top 30 business schools in the country. The recent ranking which has been given by Mail today is 9th in the NCR. The key reasons for such a sterling ranking are our emphasis on qualified, experienced and knowledgeable faculty team, high quality students, structured corporate resource center, dynamism of course contents, guest lectures and learning by doing. The institute has committed to lay stress on the research and development through projects sponsored by external agencies like AICTE, NISBERT, Indian Society for Technical Education, etc. In addition, IMS Ghaziabad has been active in organizing organized by us in the academic year 2011-12 were a workshop on Lean Six Sigma, lot of industrial visits, interdepartmental festivals, a week-long induction program in July 12, student development programs by GHRDC New Delhi, entrepreneurship awareness programs by NSIC, MSME, Uttar Pradesh, and a recent national level conference on emerging trends in information technology. Apart from academic activities, the co-curricular activities, sports, cultural and social service activities form an important part of the life of the students at IMS. There are full-fledged academic clubs and a very active cultural society in addition to the regular facilities. Keeping in mind the holistic development of our energetic managers, IMS organizes Melange, an inter-college annual festival exclusively managed by our budding executives. I feel immense pleasure in announcing that the Journal of IMS Group, a biannual publication, has the circulation of over 4,000 copies, including overseas. The Journal of IMS Group is only listed in Cabell's Management Directory of USA and entertains quality research articles written by academicians and professionals from India and abroad. Convocation marks a culmination of your academic achievements, and we take pride in seeing bright young men and women graduating from IMS Ghaziabad. Convocation is a celebration of successful completion of a journey a student undertakes during his 2 years of postgraduate studentship, which is full of tribulations, hard work, perseverance, and patience. It's an occasion when the alma mater showers its blessings on its students for successfully going through the academic grill. On behalf of the Institute, I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the graduating students who will receive their diplomas today, and special congratulations to those who have excelled for the award of medals. My heartiest congratulations to your family, especially your parents, for providing you encouragement and support throughout your stay in the Institute. We at IMS are confident that our students would make a mark for themselves and would bring fame and glory to their organization and the nation. The degree that you will receive will open a number of opportunities, enabling you to see the wider horizons of life, marked by both prospects and problems. Inspiration and hard work are important for your success. You must remember that you are among the brightest minds in the country, and you have been privileged to get your education at one of the finest temples of learning. I look at you as tomorrow's leaders and managers of new ideas and innovations which will make a difference in the life of others around you. In conclusion, I would like to quote a bright thought of Swami Vivekananda, who understood the power of youth, stating that out of the past is built the future. Look back, therefore, as far as you can. Drink deep from the eternal fountains that are behind, and after that, look forward, march forward, and make India brighter, greater, much higher than she ever was. Our ancestors are great. We must first recall that. We must learn the elements of our being, the blood that courses in our veins. We must build an India yet greater than what she has been. Unquote. I would like to follow your progress in your life and request you to remain in touch with us. As an alumnus, you will always be an important stakeholder in the growth and prosperity of IMS Ghaziabad. On behalf of the whole IMS fraternity,